Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an incredibly important topic to delve into: crypto wallets, how to keep your digital assets safe. As the world of cryptocurrencies continues to evolve, it's crucial to understand how to protect your investments from potential threats. Now let's jump right into this comprehensive guide. 1. Understanding crypto wallets. To get started, let's gain a deeper understanding of what crypto wallets are all about. Essentially, a crypto wallet is a digital tool that empowers you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies securely. It operates on the principles of public key cryptography, where each wallet consists of a public address, akin to your bank account number, and a private key, acting as your unique access password. Now, these wallets come in various types, each with its own set of security features. 2. Types of crypto wallets and their security features. Now that we have the basics covered, let's explore the different types of crypto wallets and the security they offer. Hardware wallets, also known as cold wallets, are physical devices, often resembling USB drives. They are specifically designed for offline storage, offering the highest level of security. As they remain disconnected from the internet, they are immune to online threats like hacking and malware attacks. On the other end of the spectrum, we have software wallets or hot wallets. These are applications that you can install on your desktop or mobile devices. Software wallets provide ease of use and accessibility for daily transactions. However, since they are connected to the internet, they can be vulnerable to malware, viruses, and other online threats. Web wallets or online wallets are accessible through web browsers and operate on the cloud. They offer convenience, as you can access your crypto from anywhere with an internet connection. However, web wallets introduce a higher degree of risk, as your private keys and data are stored on third-party servers, making them susceptible to potential breaches. Lastly, there are paper wallets, which are a form of cold storage. Paper wallets involve printing your public address and private key on paper. They are entirely offline, making them resistant to digital attacks. However, paper wallets demand careful handling and safekeeping, as they are physical documents. 3. Best practices for securing your crypto wallet. Now that we know the different types of wallets, let's explore some best practices to fortify the security of your crypto wallet. First and foremost, focus on creating strong passwords and passphrases. Avoid using common phrases, names, or easily guessable information. Opt for longer passphrases that combine random words, making them more challenging for potential hackers to crack. Another vital security measure is enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA. With 2FA, you add an extra layer of security by requiring a secondary verification method, such as a one-time code sent to your mobile device, before accessing your wallet. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, even if your password gets compromised. Maintaining your wallet software up to date is crucial. Developers frequently release security patches and updates to address vulnerabilities. By staying current with the latest version of your wallet software, you ensure that you have the best protection against potential threats. For those planning to hold substantial amounts of cryptocurrency for the long term, consider leveraging cold storage solutions like hardware wallets or paper wallets. Cold storage keeps your private keys entirely offline, safeguarding them from online threats. This approach is especially critical for investors with a long-term investment strategy. Additionally, always maintain a secure backup of your wallet's private keys and recovery phrases. Store them in multiple safe locations, such as encrypted USB drives, physical vaults, or even a safe deposit box at a trusted bank. A secure backup is crucial in case you lose access to your wallet or encounter unexpected technical issues. 4. Avoiding common security pitfalls. Let's now discuss some common security pitfalls in the crypto space and how to avoid them. One prevalent threat is phishing scams. These scams involve deceptive emails, websites, or messages that attempt to trick you into revealing your private keys, recovery phrases, or login credentials. Always double-check the authenticity of the source before providing any sensitive information. Be cautious when accessing your crypto wallet on public Wi-Fi networks. Public Wi-Fi can be susceptible to hackers trying to intercept your data. Instead, use a trusted and secure internet connection when dealing with your crypto assets. Lastly, never share your private keys, recovery phrases, or any sensitive information with anyone, even if they claim to be from customer support or a trusted source. Legitimate customer support will never ask for your private keys or sensitive details. Conclusion. In conclusion, the security of your crypto wallet is of paramount importance in safeguarding your digital assets. By choosing the right type of wallet, implementing best practices, and being vigilant against common security threats, you can significantly enhance the safety of your investments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on the world of cryptocurrencies. Thank you for joining us today. And until next time, stay secure and keep your digital assets safe. Happy investing!